Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel on our device. To do it, simply swipe downwards from the top of the screen. Oh, but let's close this. And swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. 1 and 2, like this. And here we have the quick panel. Now, swipe left on the panel to go to the next page, and right here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color to blue, and that means that the mode is enabled. You can also tell by the icon next to the flag, right here. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on this icon. Oh, my bad. The icon to disable it, like this. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the Do Not Disturb mode settings. So let's press and hold on it. And here we can customize a couple of options. We can turn it on and off, the mode itself, by tapping on the switch next to Do Not Disturb, like that. We can tap on for how long, and this option allows you to customize for how long the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled after you turned it on. So you have until you turn it off. So if you select this option, it's gonna be enabled until you turn it off. Next we have 1 hour. You can select this option, and here you can add and subtract the hours. So for example, if you add a couple of hours and select this option, now the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled for 3 hours after you turn it on. And next option, or the last option, is ask every time. So if you select this option and enable the Do Not Disturb mode, it's gonna ask you for how long. Every time, as you can see. Okay. Next we have a schedule category, and here we can basically set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, so it's gonna be turning on and off automatically. We have a pre-existing one, sleeping. We can tap on it to edit it, and here we can change the name. And we can select the days on which it's gonna be active, for example, like this. And we can tap on start time to change the hour on which it's gonna be turning on. For example, let's change it to 10:30 p.m. Then end time, this is the hour on which it's gonna be turning off. So let's change it to something like maybe 6:30. Okay, let's set it to 6:30 a.m. And we can tap on save to save the settings. And now the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning itself on at 10:30 p.m. and disabling or turning itself off rather on 6:30 a.m. On the Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. And we can also enable it right here or disable it. If you won't enable it, it won't work, so you need to tap on the switch right here to enable it. You can also add your own schedule by tapping on add schedule. Again, customize the settings. Like that, tap save, and here we have our schedule. And you can enable it, disable it. You can tap on it to edit it, and if you want to remove a schedule, you need to tap on it, tap on delete this schedule, tap on delete to confirm. Like that. Okay, below the schedule we have the exceptions category, and here we have a couple options: calls, messages and conversations. If you tap on this, here you can basically customize a couple of things which will be able to ignore the Do Not Disturb mode or basically skip it. So we can tap on calls, and here you can select from whom the call will be able to skip the Do Not Disturb mode. So we can select all, contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. If you select all the calls will be able to ignore the Do Not Disturb mode, and you will get the some notifications. If you select contacts only people from your contacts list will be able to do that, or rather, if somebody calls you, it will skip the Do Not Disturb mode. Favorite contacts, it's only for the favorite contacts, and none will basically block all of the notifications for the calls. Next option is repeat callers, and we can enable or disable this option. And what this option does is basically, if you enable it, if somebody calls you more than once within, I believe, 15 minutes period, the notification will go through, so it will ignore the do not disturb mode. So you can enable this option or disable it. Next we have messages, and this is the same as the calls. You can select from whom you're gonna get the notifications. And next we have the conversations, and we have all priority conversations or none. You can select one of the options. Okay, let's go back to the do not disturb mode settings. Below calls, messages, and conversations, we have alarms and sounds. And here we can enable or disable some features. So by default, the alarms won't be blocked by the do not disturb mode, so you will get the sound from your alarms, but you can disable it, and now they will be blocked. You have media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders, and you can enable or disable these options. Now we have apps. We can tap on apps, and here we can basically add applications to the list, and they will ignore the do not disturb mode, so you will receive the sound notifications from them. You can tap on add app, find the app you want to select, for example Chrome, and we can customize which notifications will be skipping the do not disturb mode, and you can select separate or basically check all of them by tapping on this button. Customize the settings, then go back, and the Chrome should appear right here on the list. The add button will relocate right here, so you can tap on it to add more apps. And now we will receive the notifications from Chrome, even though the do not disturb mode is enabled. And at the bottom we have option called hide notifications. We can tap on it, and here we can customize the notifications, or what types of notifications should be hidden. And you can hide full screen notifications, you can enable hide app icon badges, hide from notification panel, you can turn on and off the don't show up pop-up notifications, hide status bar icons and stuff like that. You can customize it up to your preferences. Okay, and that's about it. That's how you enable and disable the do not disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.